So here I have the Sunny in the pouring rain. I pretty much need to show you all the sides, and the panels are pretty good. There's no dents or scratches. And this is the top end XV variant with dual airbags, ABS, and oh shit, it's locked. Are you kidding me? The Sunny keeps beeping, saying that I'm not in the car with the key, and there's much tons and tons of space. There's a little bit of shopping that I have done today. Okay, a lot of things. See the metro walk. Okay, looks like I can go through. Is there a way? Is there a way? There is a way. This car doesn't. Go. The cop vehicle there. Okay, I'm pulling this in the second gear if you. I wish you could see that. No, you can't. I'm actually pulling this in the second gear. Try our luck. The Fortuner came through, so let's also go through. I'm going down straight with the car. Oops, that was a big one. Okay, let's go. They were digging in the center, so let's keep to the corners. Oh boy. Sunny, you're a good car. You made it through. Comfortable, I'm safe, I'm driving through the rain. I just hope a tree branch doesn't fall on my head. And oh boy, it's gonna get tricky. This car's gonna be, oh shit. Okay, no, don't hit down. Wow, and when it opens up, that's all. I'm finally done. Finally, the Sunny made it. I was afraid because it's a low car, very low slung car. I already hit I've hit the bumper already twice today. So let's not try to bump it again. I'm trying not to bump it again. Seems to be driving pretty well. Okay, it's in third gear. I need to get a better camera to show you how this is done. How beautiful the gears are configured on this car. And finally, I made it to the Defense Colony Road, which is the road I usually use to test my cars, to see how they handle. And okay, we just did a brilliant suspension test, and the car seems to have done brilliantly well on that. on, let me go. Then you can do whatever you want to.